This is the third year Swamp Fox has put on a technology conference. It's the leading technology conference today in the country, directed solely at the logging industry. We're out here at Auburn University at their track testing grounds. We've had a series of loggers from across the Southeast go through self-driving trucks. So we've managed in the third year to continually expose our loggers, whether we work with them or not, to the most current technology that's available for their benefit of operating their vehicles in the country.